10 prehistorical animals that are alive till date. It is believed that Earth has evolved 4.6 billion years ago, and humans have inhabited Earth since the last 200,000 years. We humans have evolved 6 million to 2 million years ago, and our present-day species have completed most of its evolution 200,000 years ago. There were many prehistorical animals such as saber-toothed cats, giant ground sloths, dire wolves, mammoths, dinosaurs, etc. Since the last ice age ended about 11,700 years ago, these prehistoric animals have gone extinct. Still, there are few prehistoric animals that live till this day, and we will be seeing top 10 strange prehistoric animals that still exist today. Number 10. Tapir. These are large pig-like herbivorous animals with a short prehensile nose trunk. Tapir live in jungle and forest regions of South and Central America and Southeast Asia. Their closest present-day relatives are horses, donkeys, zebras, and rhinoceroses. The first true tapirs appeared in the Oligocene, which was 23 to 33.9 million years ago. By the Miocene, which was 23 to 5.33 million years ago, tapirs were almost indistinguishable from the today's living species. Number 9. Babirusa. Babirusa, which means deer pigs in Malay language, are found in Indonesian islands. This unique swine are evolutionary mystery, and scientists think Babirusas branched off from the rest of the pig family early in its evolution. Babirusa are old enough to appear on Indonesian cave paintings some 35,000 years ago. Number 8. Chinese giant salamander. The Chinese giant salamander is the largest salamander species and one of the largest living amphibian in the world. Chinese giant salamanders are considered as a living fossil and are fully aquatic animal. It belongs to a small and ancient group of salamanders that diverged from their closest relatives during the Jurassic period, over 170 million years ago. Due to its high demand as a delicacy in China, this prehistoric animal's existence is in danger. Number 7. Siberian musk deer. Siberian musk deer is also known as vampire deer, since it develops fangs like a vampire while they grow. The Siberian musk deer is found in forests of Northeast Asia, and due to its small shape, it can hide in small openings in rocky terrains. The ancient musk deer is recorded from 2 late Miocene localities in the south of eastern Siberia and have evolved anywhere around 7.5 million years ago. Due to the severe amount of poaching for its musk gland, this musk deer population is continuing to decrease. Number 6. Gharial. Gharial, also known as gavial, is a fish-eating crocodile and are among the longest of all living crocodiles. This prehistorical reptile has a long, thin snout with 110 sharp teeth. They have a distinct boss at the end of the snout, which resembles an earthenware pot known as a gara, hence the name gharial. Gharial evolved in northern Indian subcontinent around 23 to 15.9 million years ago. Gharial's evolution with crocodiles is always a matter of controversy, where some scientists say that gharial is older than crocodile, while crocodiles evolved from gharial. No matter what, present-day gharial and crocodiles are prehistorical animals, and their immediate extinct ancestors used to live with dinosaurs. Number 5. Komodo dragon. Komodo dragon, or Komodo monitor, is a species of monitor lizards found in Indonesian islands of Komodo. Due to their size, this prehistoric dragons dominates the ecosystem in which they live. These are violent reptiles, they hurt and ambush its prey, and they have been claimed to have a venomous bite and secrete several toxic proteins and anticoagulants from its lower jaw. Their genus evolved 40 million years ago in Asia, while the present Komodo dragon species has evolved 4 million years ago. Number 4. Musk oxen. Musk oxen, or muskfox, is thick-coated, Arctic-hoofed mammal, and it primarily lives in Greenland and Canadian Arctic. This prehistoric animal is more like a goat and sheep than an ox. Males emit strong musky odor to attract females during mating season, thus the name musk oxen. This is the only living Arctic oxen species and have evolved around 40 million years and came to North America 200,000 years ago. Since the course of evolution, these Arctic ox are well adapted to extreme conditions. They are among the few known species that have survived more than one ice age and were widespread during 2.6 million to 11,700 years ago. Number 3. Okapi. Okapi, also known as forest giraffe or zebra giraffe, is native to Democratic Republic of Congo in Central Africa. Although this chocolate to reddish-brown animal has striped marking reminiscent of zebras, it is most closely related to giraffe. In fact, okapi and giraffe are the only living members of family Giraffidae. They are essentially solitary herbivorous animals and are endemic to tropical canopy forests of Congo Basin. They evolved during 23 to 10 million years ago, and okapi is sometimes referred to as a living fossil, as it has existed as a species over a long geological time period of 11.5 million years ago, and morphologically resembles more primitive forms. This prehistorical animal had not changed much since 11.5 million years of its existence. Number 2. Saiga antelope. Saiga antelope is a living relic of Ice Age fauna and has evolved perfectly to adapt steppe and semi-arid deserts of Central Asia and Russia. Apart from regular antelope body, the Saiga antelope prominently have a pair of closely spaced bloated nostrils directed downwards. This amazingly bizarre prehistorical animal are hunted for their meat and horns, which are believed to have medicinal purposes. Therefore, they are critically endangered and have already been extinct from China and southwest Mongolia. They have been ancestral species for all modern-day antelopes, gazelle, and black-bucked family. Large concentration of their fossils have been found dating back to 100,000 years ago. Number 1. Cassowary. Cassowary is one of the oldest prehistorical animal walking Earth till date. These flightless birds are native to tropical forests of Papua New Guinea and Indonesia. It has been officially labeled as most dangerous bird species in the world. These shy birds are found deep in the forests and are very cautious of humans. If provoked, they could inflict serious and even fatal injuries. During World War II, American and Australian troops were warned to steer clear for cassowaries. In a historical study of 2003, 150 men were attacked by a flock of 221 cassowaries, and in the aftermath, one man died in a conflict. These prehistorical birds have a keratinous skin-covered casque or helmet on their heads that grows with age. These casque or helmet have been found in the fossils of pterosaurs or flying dinosaurs. These birds have been evolving since a long time ago, and some fossils indicates that they may have started evolving almost 180 million years ago. The true evolution of these ferociously prehistorical birds is an ongoing process of research. Therefore, this can potentially be the oldest walking prehistoric animal ever existed. These are the 10 prehistorical animals that are alive till date. Thanks for watching, and hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let us know what you think in the comments section. See you in the next video.